Good morning. Today we expect a slightly lower start due to soft global cues. US stocks fell despite Fed's dovish words. Talk of potential changes to the European Union IMF debt rescue for Greece cast a shadow over the world markets. Asian markets are mostly trading in the red. Back home, IIP data would be declared on the 12th of April, while monthly inflation will be released on the 14th of April, and the RBI's annual policy meet is on the 20th of April. Another round of rate hike could be in the offering. So trade wisely and be on guard to shift gears quickly if the need arises. The bulls have finally managed to jump around 18,000, but they did not really manage to maintain the level. The Nifty could surpass 5,400 in the near term, provided there are no untoward developments and FII flows remain firm. Some selling pressure will set in at higher levels given the jitters surrounding high valuations. In addition, a spate of headwinds like elevated inflation, impending rise in interest rates, and a fragile global economy could play spoilsport. Monsoon, of course, will be the joker in the pack. Reliance Industries has implemented and commissioned 1 megawatt solar photovoltaic power plant at Tyagaraj Stadium in Delhi. NTPC is planning to enter into large volume contracts for coal supply. SR Energy may launch the biggest ever IPO by an Indian company as early as next week to raise $2.5 billion. The government is expected to take a decision on the proposal to ban FDI in tobacco products. The government is likely to set up a committee of group of ministers to take a final decision on divesting stake in BSNL. India has set up a panel to specify audit norms for all communication networks. Tea output rises 23%, exports up 11% in Jan-Feb 2010. Now moving on to the recommendations, we have on the technical side Bombay Dyeing. Traders are recommended to buy the stock at levels of Rs 587 to Rs 593 for a target price of Rs 620 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 578. And a buy on IDFC Bank. High-risk traders are recommended to buy the stock at levels of Rs 170 to Rs 173 for a target price of Rs 185 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 166. And the derivative strategies are long Nagarjuna Construction April future at Rs 175 to Rs 178 for a target price of Rs 190 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 169. And long Adani Enterprises April future at Rs 492 to Rs 496 for a target price of Rs 518 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 487. Thank you and have a great day ahead.